What's up, guys? Welcome back to Kitchen Court Cases, where we watch court in my kitchen. And tonight, I have for you a quick little clip of court where a hearing goes one direction and another very quickly. I hope you enjoy.
File 193046. Sir, this is a violation of probation, so I'm going to read you some of the rights that you have, all right?
Okay.
Because you're charged with a violation of probation, you should understand you're entitled to a contested hearing on the charges contained in the petition. At that contested hearing, the people would have to prove the truth of the charges contained in the petition by a preponderance of the evidence. You would have a right to confront and cross-examine the witnesses brought in against you. You also have the right to bring in your own witnesses. If they would not come in voluntarily, the court would issue a subpoena for them. You would also have a right to testify on your own behalf if you wish to. You do not have to if you do not want to, and the fact that you did not would not be held against you. You also have a right to have an attorney. If you do not have enough money to hire an attorney, the court will appoint counsel for you at public expense. In addition, you have a right to appeal any decision made in this court, provided that it is done within 21 days of the date of sentencing in the event of a conviction. Keep in mind, however, that if at any point along the way you enter a plea of guilty, you are automatically giving up your right to an appeal. There is no such right following guilty plea under Michigan law. Even if you lose your right to an appeal or waive it, you still may seek leave to appeal, but there is no right to an appeal. The maximum sentence would be the same maximum sentence possible under the original charge for which you were convicted. Did you hear and understand all the rights I told you?
Yes.
In your case, it is alleged that you failed to report from January to May of 2022 and failed to pay fines, costs, and booking fees totaling $4,091.21. And then so the recommendation is to revoke and terminate your probation. Low fines and costs amount recommended is 365 days in jail, paying out immediately of $4,019.21. And it does note that you stopped reporting in January 2022 and then haven't reported since then. At this moment in time, you could plead guilty, or not guilty, or remain mute, and the court will enter a not guilty plea for you. How would you wish to plead?
I guess. I mean, I got guilty. I guess. Yeah.
Please raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
I am going to read you some rights just to make sure you understand. Has anyone promised you or threatened you to get you to enter this plea?
No.
Is this your own choice to enter this plea?
Yeah.
You understand the maximum sentence would be 365 days in jail.
Yes.
You also understand if I accept your plea, there will be no hearing. You'll give up your right to the hearing and all the rights that go along with that. Some of the rights you'll be giving up are the right to call witnesses in your own defense, the right to cross-examine witnesses, the right to testify or to remain silent without an inference being drawn from said silence. You'd also be giving up your right to the presumption of innocence and the requirement that your guilt would have to be proven by a preponderance of the evidence. Knowing all this, do you still wish to enter this plea?
Yeah.
Were you ordered to report on this file 193046? That was a home invasion second.
Yeah. They knocked it down though. I knocked my thing down to a misdemeanor, and I did report to. I had to do a call-in report, and I did that for 6 months, and then COVID really hit, and I was on a tether, and they put me on a tether, and I paid all that. Then they took me off it last year, the tether, and I paid $2,000 on that, and I never.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Were you ordered to report at least from January 2022 until present?
No, no, that was told when this is what my assumptions were, is I had to do it online or not online, but on the phone.
All right, sir, hold on. What you're telling me is that you were reporting, so I'm not going to accept your plea. I will set this down for a hearing. Do you have an attorney or do you wish for an attorney to be appointed for you?
I don't have an attorney, no.
Do you wish for
I
an
need an
attorney?
attorney. Yes, please.
I will appoint a court-appointed attorney. We'll set this for a hearing. It will be Friday, June 30th, 2023 at 8:15 in the morning. You will receive notice at the jail.
Okay,
All right?
okay.
And that is all in this matter. You will receive the notice at the jail, sir.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Well, guys, what did you think about that? 1 minute he was guilty, and the next minute the judge said, no, 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 we're having a hearing. I will do my best to follow up on that and see where this goes. I appreciate you watching the video and leaving a comment or even subscribing. Thanks so much. Oh, don't forget, don't be a dick. Give that like a click. Bye.